Hello traders, hope you're doing well. Today both Nifty and Bank Nifty, when it opened somewhere near previous day closing range itself. During this first half, it gave a small momentum towards the upside, downside. But you can see to a certain extent, our market was just trading within a range. Only during the second half, we got a decent momentum towards the downside and then a short covering rally. For option buyers, trading in the morning today should have been a bit challenging because there was no big movement in the premium. Ideally, starting my expectation was okay, market can correct and then give a reversal, like I explained in yesterday analysis video, where we can expect a bigger momentum in both the index. But you can see buying pressure started in the market near these support levels itself. Both Nifty and Bank Nifty moved a bit towards the upside. Now my plan was okay, at least market will move towards the upside, hunt the stop loss up to these levels, and then it can correct because little stop loss hunting levels were available. But I clearly said there is 50% chance for the market to make this move. Like I said, market has not yet decided its direction, so I think we will wait and keep our view neutral. No big opportunity during the first half. We were just trying to identify trapping zone. I said this is the selling pressure zone in Bank Nifty, this is the selling pressure zone in Nifty, and from those levels itself during the first half we could see correction in Nifty here, and in Bank Nifty we could see correction at this zone. My expectation was only if these selling pressure zone, if it breaks, then we'll be looking for call option trade. You can see that I have explained here. If the high breaks, we'll be looking for call because this is a selling pressure zone. So if Bank Nifty is staying below this zone, there's no point in planning for call option trade. Now later you can see Bank Nifty corrected from selling pressure zone. We identify the buying pressure zone in Nifty and Bank Nifty. So from here again Nifty gave a nice move. Bank Nifty gave a decent move. Again from this zone it was correcting. Now I entered my trade somewhere at this zone. During this correction phase I was there in the market. Stop loss I got it to cost. I could see my stop loss hit. I expected market to correct from this zone, both the index, but in case the setup failed, my expectation was from this zone definitely we can get a decent move towards the upside. Now this view I have explained in this video. One setup towards the upside from here, or if you are not interested in the setup, we can correct and Nifty from our supporting zone. From this zone we can expect a movement. Now the same video I have forwarded this to our free Telegram channel also somewhere closer to 1 o'clock. You can see from this zone itself, from our final support, market gave a nice momentum towards the upside. Bank Nifty also respected the support and then gave a decent momentum towards the upside. It all depends on how you made use of the update which I shared. But this move was post 2 o'clock. I personally do not trade post 2 o'clock because my stop loss got hit here. No big loss. But after staying in the market for so long, I did not plan for my second trade. So whoever used this update captured the momentum towards the upside. Happy for you. Now this is what happened in the market today. Let's quickly discuss about what kind of trading opportunity we have for tomorrow. Today's this Nifty chart 15 minutes time frame. To save time, I've already marked some important support and resistance level on these charts. I'll explain the importance of these levels, but before that just have a look at this trend line. This is acting as support 1 and this level from where market showed some kind of momentum today, that is support 2. Now some people might prefer to draw this trend line like this as well, right? Where first support, second support, third support, fourth support, market has finally broken down. Now here again market can go for retest, from there it can correct. That possibility is there, I'm not ignoring that. But for illustration purpose, please consider this as the supporting zone. Now in the last 2 days, what is happening in the market? There's no big momentum. It has become more challenging for option buyers to capture bigger momentum in the market. My expectation is as long as this upper level breaks or this lower level breaks, momentum in the market will be very similar. This means what? If market, let's say it opened with bigger gap up, it moved to this resistance, consolidates, gives a breakout, then we can expect market to next test 25,000 and then 25,200. So for option buyers, where they need to plan for trade when this upper level breaks. Here stop loss is small, but if the momentum continues, we will be able to capture 1:3, 1:4, like that risk reward will be able to capture. Why trade within the zone for small movement? Every day I'm identifying important resistance, support zone within this area also, and I'm sharing it with you. But bigger momentum in the market, if you want to capture, then these are the levels where you need to look at. One more level on the downside I would tell you is, let's say tomorrow market open flat or it moved towards the downside. This zone you consider as no trading zone. 24,560 to 24,490. Market might come to 24,490. So our psychological level of 24,500 is broken. From here, if market continues again, we'll let it as it is because again it's coming to this no trading zone. But from here, again, if it gives a breakdown, we can have a small stop loss, bigger target trades, where this area will be the first target, then market can reach 24,050 to 70 level. So basically what this is the range where option buyers have to avoid trade, bigger gap up. From here, any trend continuation, small opportunity on the call option side, breakdown, and market is showing trend continuation, right? High, low, lower high, lower low, consolidation, breakdown. So this opportunity we will focus on put. My personal suggestion will be for many people to protect their capital and avoid any kind of trade within this selling pressure zone and buying pressure zone. Let anyone lose. Let it be buyers. Let market go below this level. We'll look at put option trade or let these sellers lose. Market gives a breakout. We'll be looking for buying opportunity because this sellers will become weak if there is a breakout. This buyers will become weak if this level market breaks. It is better that we avoid any kind of trade within this range. This is my personal opinion about Nifty. Further details will be shared in the pre-market report tomorrow morning. Live market update will be shared in the private Telegram group. If you wish to join the free Telegram channel, link is there in the description box below, or you can scan this QR code also to join. Now let's look into Bank Nifty. Today's is Bank Nifty chart 15 minutes time frame. On this chart you can see I've drawn a trend line. Now this trend line is acting as support 1, support 2. Again market has taken support here. So 3 times this level is acting as support. We can say this support is strong. What kind of movement is Bank Nifty doing? Bank Nifty, is it making any very big movement? No, right? It is just consolidating within a range. Same thing that I said about Nifty. As long as this area breaks where sellers are sitting, let's say market open with big gap up, it's consolidating at this zone, gives a breakout, or it opens with a gap up, reaches this level, corrects. Many people considering this as resistance, they might enter. Later when market gives a breakout, then we will be looking for opportunity on the call option side because these sellers have become weak. Market has already opened with a bigger gap up. So all the stop loss hunting levels or weak players have been removed in the market. From here, market can continue the trend what it is following in the past. If market goes above 54,000, then very soon it can reach 54,200, 54,400 zone. Next pressure can come at 54,500. So this up move breakout is what we should be looking at this random places. It is better we avoid any kind of trade. Same way, I would consider this as a no trading zone. You can see what is the no trading zone levels: 53,220, 53,350. So this is the zone where we need to avoid trade. For example, if market opens flat, we know there is a symmetric pattern range we need to avoid. If market opens with gap down, rather than randomly entering the trade, if you wait for correction, pull back, and then momentum towards the downside, this is the place where you will get small stop loss trade on the put option side, where market can move up to this zone, reach 52,800 or even lower. From this zone, you can expect a reversal. Buyers who entered here, they might re-enter the market at this zone. So that is where, again, during this reversal, small stop loss, bigger target opportunity you will find. Continuously, this trend line is acting as resistance and this trend line is acting as support. This area is acting as support. All these movements are very small. Rather than planning a trade at this zone, at the upper level, if you get a breakout, or near this lower level, you get a breakdown, we will be able to capture bigger momentum towards the downside and upside. If you wait for those opportunity, stop losses for these trade will be small, but target can be big. Those kind of opportunity is what I would suggest people to wait and take into consideration, because at the current zone it is more about market trying to reduce the premiums of option buyers. Market is being more favorable for option sellers. Consider this zone and this zone as no trading zone. Above this level, look for call. Below this level, look for put. That is when we know sellers towards the upside they are weak, or the buyers towards the downside they are weak. Then we can expect continuation of the trend, right? So this is the approach which I'll be taking tomorrow. Further details will be shared in the free Telegram channel during the pre-market report. If you enjoyed this analysis, then share your support by liking the video and subscribing to the channel. If you think this content will be useful for your friends, please share it with them. Now that's all for this video. I'll see you in the next one.